How to check live points in Fantasy Premier League. Hey guys, and welcome back to our channel. So let's get started. The live FPL rank tools break down the points by showing you how many points are coming from your starting 11, bonus points, and auto substitutions. Unlike the official side, you get the data points and points in real time, and you don't have to wait several hours until the last fixture of the day. Visualize your team and quickly scan for the base point and bonus point contributions. Each player card gives you a quick summary of game week performance, including live FPL bonus points, even while games are still in process. Player status also indicates if the player is yet to play or has already participated in the fixture. First, it is important to understand how the official side updates their ranking. The official site updates ranking at the end of each day of the game week. However, it only incorporates bench and captain substitutions after the final day of game week. Unlike the official site rankings, the live rank tool incorporates substitution contribution as soon as possible. If your captain's fixtures is complete and they didn't participate in auto sub algorithm, considers the vice captain contribution. Similarly, when any of your starting 11 don't participate in their fixtures, the algorithm will sub in players from your bench. All subs are completed using the same rules as their official game. You will just get your total points and rank much earlier. While the game week is in progress, the tools give you two ranks, one with auto subs included and one without. The rank that includes auto subs will be the most accurate. However, it will not match the official site's rank until the end of the game week. This is because the official site only includes auto sub after the last game of the week. Only after the official site has factored in substitutions, the rank will match. So that's it. This is how you can check live points in Fantasy Premier League. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you again in the next video.